You want to integrate external data into your Jira workflow, but don't know how? Let's change that. Find out how you can add a search field to your Jira issue in a few simple steps, allowing direct access to customer information from an external data source without having to navigate away from your screen. All you need is a project, a data source, and of course the external data for Jira Fields app. With this at your hand, let's start with the first step, adding your data source. Next, we need to set up the search field. Add your data source and configure the search items by adding the corresponding JSON path. This includes the name of the repository and an ID field that helps us identify the search item within our dataset. We also need to specify which element of our data source we want to use as a search variable and which value should then be displayed in the search target field. The app offers optional value and search label fields if you want to customize your output further. Please note that the search field and the actual target field are two different fields on your Jira issue screen. This is why we also need to define a target Jira field where the search output will be displayed. Save, and the search is ready to go. For more information, check out our documentation and our more in-depth tutorial videos.